Hello, I'm Glenn Van Zutphen, the founder of Van Media Group.
And I'm Melinda Murphy, and we have put together an amazing course about how to be a Zoom master.
Over the course of the pandemic, we've seen people become slightly better at their Zoom skills and their virtual presentation skills, but it is still surprising, shocking sometimes, some of the simple things that people are doing wrong.
The videos that we put together are interactive, which makes them lots of fun. We teach you everything from how to schedule a meeting to how to run a webinar for 10,000 people.
And everything in between. Now, even if you're relatively good at Zoom already, this course will definitely up your skills and show you some of the nooks and crannies of the functionality of Zoom that you may not have known about, that's going to immediately make your presentations higher level, higher grade, more impactful for your clients or your other important stakeholders.
But Zoom is here to stay, and good enough is no longer good enough. Take this class, up your skills, and make your Zoom meetings pop.